In this video, I will show you how to make your laptop like new again. So maybe you're getting some problems with your laptop and you want to reset it to how it was when you bought it from the shop. Or maybe you're just looking to sell your laptop and you want to take it back to factory settings. But whatever the reason, from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. And in here, you want to type settings. Underneath best match, you should see settings come up. Give that a click. And once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto system. Now from the system settings, you want to scroll down until you see the option for recovery. Give that a click, and then on the next screen what you want to do is click the option to reset your PC, so just here. Now at this point you're going to get a window come up. You've got two options available. What you can do is keep your files, which means that this is going to remove apps and settings, but it does keep your personal files. Alternatively, if you want to take your laptop completely back to factory settings, there is an option to remove everything. So once you've chosen your option, just click onto what you want to do, and then what you can do is choose how you would like to reinstall Windows. So I would recommend just going for a local reinstall, which is going to reinstall Windows directly from your laptop. Once that's done, click on to next, and it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready. And once everything is ready, you'll be taken to this screen here where it says ready to reset this PC. So it's going to give you a brief summary of what's going to happen based on whether you've chosen to keep your files or just completely remove everything. And at this point, you just want to click on to reset at the bottom. Make sure when you do this, you are plugged in and you're not just running off your laptop battery, as it can take quite some time to go through and reset your PC. But once the process has finished, you will find that your laptop will be just as it was when you bought it from the shop. So that is how to make laptop like new again. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.